Problem 1. Contain duplicates. In this problem, we are given an input array and we need to find any value that appears at least twice in that array. This is a very first problem for any AI machine learning engineer because we have to face the DSA round. So what I am doing is making you prepared for your first step into becoming good at your job. DSA is very much important, and this is the first question that we need to prepare for ourselves. And we are going to cover about 200 more problems like that. This is the very basic one that we are going to tackle first. And the way I am going to teach you is through an animated way of explaining things. Now, this is an example input array. It has 1, 2, 3, 1. And to solve this problem, we need a way to keep track of the numbers that we have seen. And if we can do it in the O of 1 time, that will be good. So we will use a hash set. Hash set is just Python set to store every number we visit as we iterate through the array. For each number, we check if it is already in the set. As we iterate, see, now we are at the 1. Our current variable is, if we are iterating, so we are at the 0 indexed. Current value is this. Our set is completely empty now. So when we check if 1 is in the set, then we will say no. Then we can add it. As you can see, we have added it. Now, let's try another number, 2. Is 2 present in the set? No. So we are going to add it. Is 3 present in the set? No. Then we are going to add it. Now, 1 is a very special case. So now, in your scene set, you can see 1 is present. So this is where we are going to return. Because using the set, it is much faster than checking every pair of value, which is O of n square. And if you're thinking we can sort this, but sorting will take n log n time depending upon the input, and our space is also a critical thing. So this solution is been done in O of n space and O of n in time and O of n in space. So now let's try to build the solution. So let's first make an initialization for n in numbers. Let's iterate over them. If n in scene, return true. This is what we are doing. If we see that number in this set, we immediately return, we do nothing. And if we are never entered in that block, then one default thing that we have to do is scene.add. Scene.add, this is how you add an element into the set. .append, we do it for list, so remember that. And if we are out of this loop, then that means definitely this is a default case. So let's try to run this code and see if we are able to pass the test cases. And now let's submit it and see if all of our solution is passed. Perfect. So this was a very easy and first problem. Thank you very much for watching.
Enjoyed this problem? There are hundreds more completely free, no login needed. Head over to codedive.n and start solving today.